Hey guys, it's Scott Himelstein with the Scott Himelstein Group, here today to give you a real estate market update for December 2019. All right, guys, again, Scott Himelstein with the Scott Himelstein Group. Before we talk about today's topic, the market update for December 2019, reminder, if you're a home seller, check out our free home value report. And if you're interested in purchasing a home, we have our free MLS search tool for properties all over Southern California. All right, so we talked back in October, back in our last market update, how the media wasn't quite up to date on what's actually taking place in the market. And now that the numbers have come out for the month of October, that ended up being a very solid last 60 days or so. And that is, you could see, because in the San Fernando Valley, we actually hit a record high median price of $755,000. That's up 11% from a year ago. So those numbers were given at the end of November. Now, it can handily beat the prior record, which was $735,000, which was back in July. And that marked the fifth consecutive month that the median price, the once impenetrable benchmark of $700,000, has actually gone upwards. So the median price, again, is the midpoint of all sales, with half the sales posting a higher price and half lower. So from August of 2018 through May, the inventory grew quite a bit, and sometimes more than 40% per month. But in that trend has actually reversed since June, and the inventory has continued to go downwards. So October was the fifth consecutive month in which we saw the number of homes listed for sale on the association, the multiple listed service, that the 1,100 active listings at the end of the month were down 31% from a year ago and represented a mere 1.7 month supply. And that's what we were talking about in October, that we were seeing that with the amount of pending escrows that the amount of sales in October that we were just seeing ourselves, that was going to be the kind of with the numbers that we expected to see. Now you look here, what we're looking at in December, here in the winter months, we talked about in one of the last videos, talking about actually like why it's a good time to sell here in fall and the winter months. And again, the reason being is because there's still a lot of buyers out there with the really low interest rates. And so interest rates hovering around 3.5 to 3.8%. So you still have a lot of buyers in the marketplace, and that's really fueling what's taking place as far as real estate goes. So even though the fact that the inventory is quite low right now in Porter Ranch, you're looking at about 55 homes for sale in the entire 91326 zip code, which consists of over 12,000 single-family units. And again, in the entire San Fernando Valley, you're looking at about 1,100 homes total, which again is really quite low. So pending escrows for the month of October, you had 657, and that's actually up 4% from October of 2018. So the real estate market looking very strong heading into 2020. The one thing that we will say is that there are plenty of buyers out there, but a lot of the buyers are resistant to the higher prices. So the truly motivated buyers, those are the ones that understand that the opportunities to buy are limited, especially if it's a really great home. So again, price, like as always, is really important. If you have any questions about the real estate market or real estate in general, give me a call, 818-396-3311, 818-396-3311, and thanks again for watching our video blog.